Introducing IPG Photonics' most advanced laser cleaning systems, the LaserCell 2000 and LaserCell 4000. These state-of-the-art solutions use laser ablation, a highly precise technique that selectively removes material layers with laser energy. By harnessing photonic energy, the laser cleaning process effectively peels away, vaporizes, sublimates, or burns off unwanted contaminants, while preserving the integrity of the underlying material. The goal of laser cleaning is to remove surface material without damaging the material underneath. While lasers can cut through several inches of steel, cleaning requires a significantly lighter touch and an understanding of ablation thresholds. Laser cleaning has seen a surge in adoption across a wide range of industries because it offers numerous advantages compared to traditional methods of material removal. Laser cleaning is a remote process. In other words, the source of the laser beam operates from several inches or even feet away. This makes the process more flexible and avoids surface damage caused by abrasive methods. Lasers are extremely precise and can be fired with virtually perfect accuracy. As a result, lasers only clean the desired area regardless of size or shape. This eliminates additional steps like masking. Laser cleaning is a high-speed process that can clean up to hundreds of square inches of material per second. Laser cleaning has no need for abrasive materials or chemical solvents, reducing noise and eliminating exposure to dust and hazardous materials. Furthermore, laser systems consume less energy, requiring minimal material handling, floor space, energy, and maintenance. Laser cleaning solutions are long-lasting and exceptionally cost-effective, particularly in the long term. Explore how IPG's laser solutions can revolutionize your manufacturing process with an in-depth evaluation of your product or application. Take your manufacturing to the next level. Visit us at ipgphotonics.com.